Do you want to meet Bianca, John Wardley and John Burton? Oh, we're down here, Alton Towers VIP, aren't we?
We are.
Yeah, and we've got something special, haven't we?
We do.
Oh, a surprise, and it is very Nemesis themed, isn't it? Ooh. But yeah, have you heard about the VIP exclusive walks?
Yeah, so you get not only to see behind the scenes, you get to meet Wardley, Burton, Bianca, and you get gold fast track all day.
Yeah, that's really good. So gold fast track all day, and you get an exclusive meeting with Bianca, John Wardley and John Burton.
Yeah.
And the whole exclusive behind the scenes talk of the area of Nemesis.
Yeah, and exclusive pictures with them as well.
That is amazing. And it is £120 per ticket, and we believe at time of recording now, being Easter Monday,
It's sold out.
It's sold out. So that is crazy. Such an experience, that, isn't it?
It really is.
Really good. Nemesis. You were saying about the gold fast tracks. We also get an extra fast track, don't you? And that being for Nemesis Reborn. So it's not actually included on any of the fast tracks at the moment. We believe they've just released their solo fast tracks for Nemesis today.
Yeah, and it's included on the Platinum fast track.
Yeah, but with the experience, the Nemesis experience, you do actually get a chance to ride Nemesis Inferno, I was going to say. Oh, that's the wrong one. Reborn just down there. It's such a good package, and to be honest, I'm super excited.
Me too.
Oh, it's nice to be in this queue line ever, isn't it? Oh, look at that. I like the Easter eggs they have got around the park.
Me too.
And I'm sure on this kind of walk on the Nemesis exclusive package, you're going to get some kind of extra information.
Yes.
I would like to think so.
Some extra
All about Nemesis.
Want to control it, but they can't.
They want to control it, but they can't have. I wonder if we get told how to control it on that VIP tour.
I wonder if the Phalanx will be joining them.
That would be interesting, wouldn't it? An exclusive tour from not just Wardley, Bianca and Burton, the Phalanx as well. Oh, I wonder if they could ride it. Not too sure.
How cool would that be if they let us ride it all together with them on front row?
That would be absolutely amazing, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I'm sure there's some special surprises for the Nemesis exclusive package.
Sure there is.
So you do also get a signed photo.
Yeah, you
and I
do.
assume that'd be from all the three big stars.
I hope so.
I know, yeah. Bianca, Wardley and Burton's signature on a Nemesis photo.
Yeah, that would be wow cool, that would.
That's pretty cool, isn't it, though?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, in the station there. Can you imagine being here when everything's off and we're going to get a big talk from Bianca and the Phalanx and John and Wardley and John Burton?
I know it's going to be so cool. They're going to tell you all the behind the scenes secrets of when it was built.
I know, yeah, and maybe some of like the designs and how they come up with the ideas.
Yeah.
It is a really exclusive package, to be honest.
It is.
And we are excited. It's all going a bit Nemesis, actually. Wow, great ride of Nemesis there.
Yeah.
Woo, you'll be getting that on that day, won't you?
It was a bit of a wet one today.
It was a little bit of a wet one, but it's still a great ride. It always is, isn't it?
It is.
And it'd be amazing to know all those little extras. So I suppose we better tell you how you can win it. Well, as we said, we've teased you all video, guys. You need to know, we have got an exclusive opportunity for you.
We do indeed. So we've got up for grabs 2 Nemesis VIP, Nemesis Reborn VIP tickets for the 4th of May.
Yes, for the 4th of May, the very first one there is. I think there's only 2. She agrees. The 28th of June and the 4th of May. And we just happen to have 2 extra tickets just by chance. And we thought, what better way than to give it to one of you guys, one of you. And it's really simple, guys. We do have a few little rules that Ev's just going to go through first of all. We've got some rules, Ev, and I think they want to know. So, what do they do?
First of all, you need to be over the age of 18. If you're not over the age of 18, you must have consent from a parent or guardian to obviously enter. The second thing that you need to do is you need to be available for the 4th of May. You do need your own park admission ticket because it doesn't include that. And you do need to be available for most of the day to take advantage of that gold fast track. And finally, in order to win, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to like the video, you need to subscribe, and the most important thing, you need to leave a comment of how many times we've said Nemesis in this video.
There you go, guys. They're the rules. Nice and easy. Once again, if you're not 18, make sure you get permission from an adult. Be here on the day and make sure you have your own park ticket. And leave a like, subscribe. And how many times have we said Nemesis in this video? You get the right answer and you could be up for one chance of winning an exclusive event with us, Bianca, John Wardley and Burton. Whoop whoop!